Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Now we've got a sunny day, as you can see from the sun coming in the window, and I got some happy mail, and this is from Kimberly Pace. Thank you so much, Kimberly. This is amazing for you to do this. Amazing. Now I need to very gingerly, look at what I can see. Look at that. I'm going to zoom in a bit. That's better. And I've got my office chair. I've got another office chair, and it's a lot higher this time, so I don't have to bend over so much when I do these happy mails. Oh, careful, I don't want to cut any of it. I'm just going to have to go in this way, like this. There we go. Is that enough to get in? Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. Oh, heat wave. Heat generating yarn. Wait and I'll change. I'll fix it so that it's not so sunny. Now, so hopefully you can see this a little better. This is called heat wave. There we are. Heat generating yarn. Brilliant for in Scotland. Brilliant for in Scotland. I have never actually seen this. I mean, obviously this came from the USA. Sunlight activate. Oh, well, it says even on a cloudy day. I was going to say sunlight activated in Scotland, really? Even on cloudy days. And what this does is when you put it on, and if you're outside, it actually helps to generate heat. And which is great if you're making scarves and hats and things. Keep you nice and warm. Or even a nice jacket. A nice jacket. And the colour is beautiful. Now, there's a free pattern in behind here, and this is called Beach Ball. That's really true. I mean, when I was young and you got beach balls, they were either green, blue, or they were this colour. They were this colour a way back in the day. Look at that, that is beautiful. It's a medium 4. I'll get out of the sun. It's a medium 4, and it's telling to use a 5.5 UK hook or an I9 if you're in America. It's got the knitting needle ones as well. It's 100 grams, that's 3.5 ounces, 198 yards or 181 meters, and it's made by Red Heart. And look at that, that is beautiful. It's soft, it's so soft. I like the Red Heart brand. It's so soft. So we'll put that down there. What have we got? I'll pull. Oh, it's a label. Just a squished one. Oh, look at that. That is so beautiful. A Lion Brand mandala. Sparkle. Look at that. That is beautiful. And it's just my colours. Pink and grey. There we go. We can see a little bit better. Get out of the sun a little bit more. I've got Muttley down here. Can you just see Muttley down in the corner? He's lying on my wriggle blanket. He claimed my wriggle blanket. I'll see if I can move my chair a little bit so you can see him. Look at him sunning himself. Look. Look at him down there sunning himself in the sunshine. He's a sun worshipper. He loves the sunshine. So that's Muttley just laying down there. Now I've lost my way with this. Oh, goodness. Now, if my cat Marge was still here, Marge would be lying down there beside him in the sunshine. This is beautiful. Look at that. It's a Lion Brand mandala. It's 100 grams for the UK people. 3.5 ounces, 328 yards, and that's 300 metres. It says it's a light 3 weight. So to us in the UK, it's like a double knitting. It's a double knitting, and look at that. That is so pretty. Thank you so much, Kimberly. This is beautiful. Oh, look, they've got like a V-stitch scarf on around their neck. And I did a blanket in a V-stitch. It's really, really pretty. Oh, there's another one. Look at this one. Oh, look, it's like a love heart in the middle. Look at that. And it's sparkle. So's that one, by the way. That one's sparkle yarn. You can't quite, if I put it in the sunshine, you might see it, but I don't think so. But this one's a sparkle yarn. Oh, look at that. It's beautiful. Lime brands. It's the same size as the other one. But look at that. Look on that side. Look at those colours. They are absolutely beautiful. Look at that. That is amazing. I really like that. I love that heart in the middle. Oh, it's squishy as well. Oh, it's so squishy. So we'll see what else is in here. Oh, there's another heat wave. Oh, so that's two. Another heat wave. It's so soft, that's beautiful. So generous, so generous. Oh my goodness, look at these. Karen Simply Soft. My first and favourite yarn. Oh, there's three. My good, no, there's more. Let me put that down. Right, this one has got 6 ounces in it. Now, this is 170 grams. If you're in the UK and you like the Cairn Simply Soft, then remember that it's actually a bigger than a 100-gram ball. It's 170. This beautiful, beautiful Cairn Simply Soft. This is a soft pink. It's 170 grams. Where were we with it? It's a 4, the weight is a 4. Now in the UK, that's a little bit thicker than double knitting, but not as thick as a Aran, but it's beautiful. I use this brand a lot. A lot of my earlier videos were made with the Cairn Simply Soft until I ran out, and I completely ran out of it. And oh my goodness, look at this. There's one and there's two. I'll pop them down there. What's that one? Oh, there's three. It's beautiful. It's so soft. I wish you could feel how soft this is. There's four. Oh my goodness. There's another one. Look at that. That is going to be a nice big blanket. Oh, that's beautiful. Kimberly. Kimberly. Oh, look. A heat wave. That is so pretty. That's a green. This one's called Seaweed. Seaweed. It's a beautiful shade of green. Oh, it's so soft. It's really soft. Amazing, amazing. Oops, there's more hidden in there. Oh my goodness, look at this one. That is so pretty. And I think that would have been a heart on it. Maybe on that side. That is so pretty. It's another sparkle. But look at the colourway on that. My goodness. And that one. I think it's the same. This one says Hercules, and so does this one. It's just the way that it's wound slightly different. So that I've learned that when you make a blanket, a lot of the balls are the same colours, but they're spun on the they're spun on the cake different, so that when you go from one ball to the other ball, you get a nice even change of colour. So it doesn't go straight from blue to blue and you end up with a big part of blue. It'll go to that beautiful lilac. Look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely amazing. I'm going to put that aside. I've got so much in this bag. Oh, there's another one. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that one. It's the same one again. Hercules. Oh, it's so soft. So soft. Look at that. It's beautiful, and it's got a lovely sparkle inside it as well. Oh, that's going to make a lovely winter blanket, that. Oh, I think I'll be keeping that for myself. Oh, that's really pretty. Do you know, I can't get over the way that this one's got a heart in it. This is with love, Alison, with love. What have we got? Oh, there's another green of that heat wave. That is so pretty, so pretty. And there's a white. No label, but that's a Cairn Simply Soft. I know that's a Cairn Simply Soft. That is so, so pretty. And then we've got one more. Get that out, stuck right in the corner. It's another one of the heat wave. And oh, that's so pretty. These are brilliant. These are absolutely amazing. Look at that. That is so pretty. It's beautiful. So thank you very much, Kimberly. Thank you so, so much. I really do appreciate it. It's brilliant. And I did get an email off of Kimberly, and I have told her that a parcel arrived. And thank you. I'm overwhelmed at the response from everyone sending me happy mail. It's brilliant. It's really brilliant, and I love it. It's look at all of that. My goodness, it's fantastic. And for this as well, and there's so much of it. It's beautiful, beautiful. And do you know what? I think I should use this for, let me get a little, wait till I see where I put it. I did a blanket. Excuse me a minute. Now I did this blanket. I've got it right. I'm always putting them round the wrong way. Now this is really quick. It's quick to make. It's really pretty, and it's a fan with a V-stitch. And you've got some treble crochets at the top just to help break it up, and a couple of chains on it. And it's really pretty. I put a little double fan on the edge with a treble crochet just all around it. And I think I will show you how I'll demonstrate it with this, because I think it will be really, really pretty in this. So thank you very much, Kimberly. I really do appreciate it. Now, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. It gives me great moral support. I don't get any financial gain whatsoever from you subscribing. It just gives me great moral support, and it looks good. When your videos come up on YouTube and it sees that you've got maybe like 200,000 subscribers, people are more likely to look on your channel than one of the much smaller ones. And not that, I mean, I've been a small channel myself, but even I noticed that the people with more subscribers, they're more likely to have people to click on them. And that would be absolutely amazing if you could just click on that subscribe button that's down there. And also, if you click on the bell icon, then YouTube will alert you when I put up another tutorial. So until the next happy mail, I greatly, greatly appreciate it. And also, it's becoming a great little piece for my channel as well. People just love it. People love when you open mail, and they're getting just as much as a surprise as I am. Truly, I'm getting just as much as a biggest surprise, just the same as you. And people are like, oh, it's brilliant. I love watching them. I love watching them. So if you do have any yarn, and just send me an email. Just ask me for my email. I'll give you my email. I'll give you my address, and you can have a little video uploaded onto my channel with your little donation of Happy Mail. But only do it if you can afford to do it. Don't package yarn up and go to the post office and it costs too much for you to have it delivered. Don't do that. Only do it if you're able to do it. And that's all I'm going to say with that. Only do it if you're able to do it. Don't leave yourself short. Please, please don't leave yourself short. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I will see you all again soon. And I think some neck warmers for the winter. These are going to get used for some of the colder weather here, and I'll do some tutorials for some items for the colder weather. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.